Alright guys, this is part 3 of the video. So if I decided to parallel these guys and mix them big 12 or 24 volt battery, so this is the reason why I use these Nissan Leaf bus bars. These are all Nissan Leaf bus bars. These are the Ford Focus batteries. And guys, I saw them. They came at battery. They came at battery hookup, but I think they're all gone. Whosoever picked those batteries, they've got some good batteries, but I wasn't ready, and I didn't have solo spending money that I would have bought some of those. Those are good batteries, and I talked a lot about them, and I don't have them anymore. I passed them on to a friend that really desperately needs them for his boss who just divorced the horse, so he had more batteries. He want to use those for his lighting system, and he's going to use the Nissan Leaf for just his solar system because he had a massive system, probably what, 20 or 40 kilowatts of batteries. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll show you how I'm going to slide this one to get a better transition. I'm going to tilt this. I have the camera one hand here and trying to bring this closer and see how we're gonna transition this thing swiftly. So now we have the terminal. If it was wrong, then it would have been a huge um, arc. So let's see how things go here. It's not easy, but see that. So one is there, and it sits. Bring them to close together, and guys, look, it has already transitioned. So I can able just to put a bolt here and connect them back here and lock these guys. A bus bar already got to this, so I just have to continue do the jumping from here all the way what I've done here and do the same thing. Then I have a huge 24 volt battery bank. Right now it's a 12 volt, 12 and 12, 24. 12 would have been a 12 here, back 12 volts would have been a 24. So right now I can configure this guy and bring it right up here or back here and makes it a 34 or 36 volt, which I had a 36 volt inverter by Outback, but I end up passing it on to another friend of mine work that wanted to do a cabin thing, him and his other buddy. So I sold that to them, and brand new, never been used, is an Outback 36 volts. And a lot of you guys go back to my playlist and you see the 36 volt Outback. I talked about it. It's brand new, never been used. Bought it, pay a lot of money for it, and pass it on. So now I can just go the same thing, just like here, identical. What I've done here. So I can just do the same thing here. All those buses goes all the way. All these buses go the same way, and this battery already connected, so that means I double up the amps, so this became a huge battery. That's what I was talking about earlier. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's like 10 batteries. So you do the math, 25 times 10, and you can see how these batteries can sit in a nice configuration on the back. And everything, this bus bar is going to take the other pack. Get it ready, double up the amps here and double up the amps here. So that'll give us a good system. Very good system. Yeah. So, well, I just want to show you what is going on here. And this is what we've done with the system. And portable battery bank, portable solar generator, or portable solar storage, or lithium phosphate battery storage, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, there it is. So we can go back here and remove these batteries, just like sliding them out, and becomes individual packs. Or we can do this, get it this way, and look at that, becomes a 36 volt battery bank. Okay, and got one of these other brick over here and makes it a 48 volt, 12, 24, 36, 48. So that'll give us a good power. All right, guys, I just want to make a part 3 of the video, and I hope you liked it. And stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Live here from Minnesota with the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. See you back on the next video. Bye for now. Tell me what you think, and we will discuss that in the comment below. Bye.